Yes, something I need to put in place, something I need to discuss with you this evening. It's all about the management of the animals. You remember, as I told you, that we have the triplets. The triplets, the first one is management, another one is genetics, and the third one is nutrition. Most of you people forget. They forget, if after you buying the land, you forget that there is management and there is genetics. If you have the land, you have the management, and you have the genetics, you're a successful farmer. If you break one of those, again you're hanging. It will not come out. This is where you go wrong, you people. You people, I've met many people thinking that they have farms, yet they don't value their managers, yet they don't value their workers. Let me tell you one thing. In the partner, we have a chain of partners, and the first partner is you. You're the first partner because it's you who is investing the money. We don't know where you get your money from, and then you put it in animals. You buy the land, you buy the good animals, and then you put people on place. So you are the first partner. The second partner is the manager. The manager is the one who makes sure that everything is moving in line. The animals are there, the animals are reared, and the animals are converting. Because remember, our work is to sell grass into a muscle form. You get it? So we have another partner. The third partner is the most core partner, and that is the herdsman. Even if you're there, you cannot rear the goats. Even if your manager is there, cannot rear the goats. But that person is the one who makes sure the animals are eating. Those animals are putting on weight. Those animals are sick and report to the manager. This is my piece of advice. If you want to be successful, make sure those people are happy. How do you make those people happy? Is by simple things and valuing them. Whenever you come to the farm, make sure you see those people. They are really part of your money chain. Some of you people make mistakes and think those people are not valued. You don't even bring them close to you. You always keep them far away from you. That is a mistake. People make mistakes, but make sure if your work makes a mistake, make sure you tell that person and he can correct it. But don't try to at least scare him, or not even scaring him, or threaten him, or mistreat him. Let him be your good friend. Me, I have my workers. I hardly be at my farm, but I find everything in line. Why? Because they are my friends. If I happen not to take more time at the farm, let's say I'm busy and I've taken 2 weeks minus going to the farm, it's my workers that will call me and ask me, Mose, when are you happening at the farm? We really need to see you. Why? Because I make them like what they are doing. It's not because I pamper them, but I try to do what a good friend is supposed to do. If you make those people your friends, you're going to be very successful. If you make those people your enemies, you will never be successful, because everybody will be looking at when is the month ending, I get my salary. But they will not think about what am I going to show to my boss at the end of the month. So that's my piece of advice, my dear. Don't mistreat those people. Don't be bossy. You know, there is principles you have, but make sure you adjust them. You're dealing with people that have never gone to school. You're dealing with people who have always their life have been in the bush. You've been in different places and you're seeing different characters, different lifestyle, but you're dealing with people who have been in bush for all their lives. But even you yourself, you cannot go in the bush and stay there, then do your work from there. So let's use that simple logic. Let's love them, show them that they are more valued in this chain, and they make money for us. And for your information, it's those people that are making money for us. It's not your money that is making money for you, but it's those people that you invest in your money and they make money for you. So that's a piece of advice, and I do request that you people value the partners in this line. You'll be successful. If you don't value them, then you will never be successful. I'm telling you, most of the people who have failed goat farming, who have failed in cattle farming, they are failing just because of management, just because they have failed to realize that those guys are partners. You always call them the workers and you don't call them partners. But a partner is a person who is supposed to share the profits. Make sure those people are making profits for you, and make sure you share the profits with them. There is a lot of people we spend that will never come back, that will never even benefit us, but we spend that money. And you fail at least to give 50,000 to your worker, who is really rearing your animals, which are worth 700 millions, which are worth 500 millions, which are worth 600,000. Oh, sorry, 600 millions. So, my dear, that's my advice, and that is my request, that we value them. They will make money for us. Let's make sure they know that they are valued in the chain, and then they will definitely make money for us. Thank you very much, and let me wish you the best. Hope to catch up with you anytime. Bye.